So now our image is already published and we can see it was pushed to the Dockerhub. So now we can download it back and pull it back to our local machine and use it. To do that, so first we're going to delete our local image, which is this one. To do that, you have to say docker rmi, docker remove image, and then we have to give the ID. And then we're going to say this one, or you can use the repository, or you can use also the ID. So both of them will be working. That's the name. You just use the name, then hit enter. So this image is already deleted. Yeah, so the image is not anymore there, but now we want to create a Docker container based off that image. So we're going to pull it back from Dockerhub. Then we're going to say docker run and its name. We're going to give a name of our containers, my flask 001, and then on the port which be running 8000, and we're gonna say port on the containers 3000, and the image that we're gonna give it, we're gonna go there on the website, and from there we're gonna copy this name, the whole name, and then paste it here and then hit enter. So it says that it's not locally existed. Then it so it asks that we didn't give the tag, so we forgot to tag, so there's no image with the tag of latest, but our image is with the tag 0.1, I think. So let's check it. So here is the tag name. So we have 0.1 release. We need that one. Minus release, and it must be working. And you can see that it downloaded the image back from Dockerhub, and it will be running here. Now we can click here, and it will be running on the port 8000. So here we can see that our container is now back running on port 8000. So this was the way that you can pull it back, the image which you published before.